Exali ka daw, GMA.
Yes, Grace, unsa ba ang gihimong preparation?
Excuse me.
Well, I undergo proper training under Talent Center of Davao del Sur, from catwalks to interviews, and also as a Miss World candidate, I need to get ready for the big responsibilities ahead.
Talaga siya
Wow,
sumagot.
mura sa tubag pa lang nimo prepared na ka. So if ever na ikaw ang mudaog, unsa yung pag-boast sa Mindanao ngadto sa national scene ingon man sa tibuok kalibutan?
Well, I've been in the national competitions before, so I guess the best thing that I could do to boast Mindanao is to tell my co-candidates how beautiful Mindanao is, because I believe that Mindanao is such an extraordinary place and it's the world's safest place for me.
Wow, unsa pud ang advocacy nga imong gidala?
Well, I want to become an advocate of peace because when I was a child, I've experienced little war in our barrio. So, being an advocate of peace, I believe that I could connect to the world and involve a lot of people to be peaceful in their lives.
Thank you so much, Grace. No? Usa si Grace nag-represent sa municipality of Abad Santos. Makausap na karon ang usa sa mga organizer, ang head, si Sir Marlo Valles.
Ay, si
Hi, may
Valles.
hapon sa tanang mga televiewers sa 24 Oras Southern Mindanao.
Isip organizer, sir, unsa pud imong